Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you the fastest way to completely find all 16 little whales quest in the Call of Whales event in Heartopia. So normally you need to take photos of all 16 little whales that scattered around the Whalefall Canyon map, but I have already made a complete locations guide for you every little whale. So be sure to check out my Heartopia playlist if you want all of their exact locations. But if you missed the quest and just want to finish it as quickly as possible, here's an easy trick. You can just simply visit your friend's home who has already collected all 16 little whales. Like this, once you're there, just take a photo of each little whale one by one like this. Just take a photo of all the little whales. And after that, they all will count toward the event quest. So you can complete it in just a few minutes or maybe few seconds, and you can claim your 5,000 vision wave coins. This one. And then next, if you still want to collect the bubble furniture, this little whale bubble furniture, you can just check out my tutorial in my Heartopia playlist too. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.